Hi everybody, my name is Elni. I'm about to show you how easy it is to make braised soy sauce chicken, or in Cantonese we call si yao kai, with the help of the Thermomix. I actually got it from an online Malaysian Thermomix recipe community. One whole chicken, about 1 to 1.2 kilos, with garlic, shallots, and spring onions stuffed inside. Place the entire chicken bottom side down until it sits on the blades. Add in ginger, half cup of light soy sauce, and 1 cup of dark soy sauce, 1/4 cup of Chinese cooking wine or Shaoxing wine, half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder, a dash of pepper, 20 grams of rock sugar, just a little bit of sesame oil. Fill boiling water until the 2-liter mark. There you have it, thereabouts 2 liters. 100 degrees, spoon speed. So after 30 minutes, I left it to poach for another 30 minutes and I've put in 4 boiled eggs. I did not cut the chicken, somebody helped me with it. So here's a little extra sauce on the side for the chicken. Wanna cook this? Get a Thermomix from me. My contact details are right after this. Thank you for watching.